Hey guys, welcome to DelftStack, and this is how to fix a messenger waiting for a network. So, if you ever encounter this, what you could try to do is you could just simply go ahead and open up the Google Play Store into your device. Now, over here, you could just simply go ahead and search for the Messenger application. And here, make sure you are running the latest version of the Messenger. And when there is an update, you should be able to see here update instead of open. And now, if that doesn't work, what you could try to do, the most practical way is you could just simply go through the settings into your device, go to the connections, and turn off your Wi-Fi at the top over here and turn it back on. And mostly this can fix the issue. Or what you could try to do, guys, is you could just simply go to the network that you have and just simply disconnect into your network and then reconnect again. And mostly that can fix the issue. If it doesn't work, you could just simply go ahead and restart your phone. So a simple restart can fix most of the issues. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.